Hey, Quilters, I just want to jump on here today. I know it's the day after Thanksgiving, it's Black Friday, and you're shopping and you've probably are worn out. But you've been spending a lot of money on everybody but yourself. I just wanted to show you this really cool quilt kit. Let me just pull this over here. Now, don't be logging out on me till I tell you all about it. Okay, this is a huge quilt box. It's got a book and some foundation stuff, a bunch of fabric. Anyway, it's everything you need, plus the 2 yard cut of this just luscious minky. This is the Luxe Cuddle Minky. Anyway, this is a giveaway that I am doing. So if you are just tired of spending money, why don't you come on over? There's a link below. Click the link, follow it, go enter to win this giant quilt kit. I've forgotten what the value is. It's over $160 value for everything you need to complete a kit. I will also upload a video on how to do it over here on our Facebook and on our YouTube channel. So I'll put some links below. When you click the link and enter, don't forget to go back to your email and approve it, because if you don't approve it, you can't win, because it won't give me your email so that I can notify you when you've won. So click the link, enter, share with your friends to get more things, and when you check your email, they're going to give you an option for more ways to enter. So the more entries you get, the higher your chance of winning. So happy Black Friday. Hope you've had a great time shopping and do something yourself. Come on over and enter to win. See ya.